Hi folks, and welcome back here for another Cinema 4D tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about revealing technique for logos or any stuff you like. And it's one of my favorite ones, and I know there are quite a lot of tutorials out there in the internet covering the same topic, but anyway, it's good to have a quick technique in your pocket when you have to have it, right? And therefore, let's get started. So I've prepared a basic scene here, just added a physical sky with a compositing tag, make it invisible for the camera, add a background with gradient, and add a mesh of a car, a simple low poly mesh. And the first thing we have to do is to add a PolyFX effect to that car's mesh. You can find it in the effectors, in the MoGraph panel. There it is, and we just drag it into the null here. To make it work, we have to add effectors to that PolyFX. So the first effector we are going to add is, not random, a plane effector. Just add it to the effectors, go to the plane effector and switch this fall off to linear, and if we move it along the z-axis, you can see what the plane effector is doing. So switch the other way around, match up the size with the car, like so maybe. Go to the parameters panel and change the scale to uniform and set it to -1. And now we have a basic transition. The edge of that plane effector is kind of linear or even, and to change that we're going to add a new effector, and it's a random effector. Bring the random effector down, make the random effector part of the PolyFX, and make sure it's on top of it, or on top of the plane effector, otherwise it won't work correctly. So now go to the random effector, switch off the position, make the plane effector child of the random effector, and play around with the weight transform. So now you see the distribution of our polygons is kind of uneven or randomized. If we now move our random effector through the scene, you have kind of a randomized revealing effect. So now we're going to add the Inheritance-Effector to control the starting position of our particles here. And to do that, we're going to add a new object, let's say cube for example, and place it somewhere in your scene, let's say above the car's body. Now go to the MoGraph panel and add the Inheritance-Effector. Make the Inheritance-Effector child of the random effector and add it to the effectors panel of the PolyFX. Now tell the Inheritance-Effector to use the cube we've created, and once you've done it, all of our polygons will just jump to the position of the cube. So this is not exactly what I wanted, so I'm going to change the fall off of my Inheritance-Effector to linear as well. Minus that orientation, sorry. Scale it up And voila, there's your transition. You can switch off the cube. So let's just add a few keyframes here. Keyframe here. Oh, sorry. Just bring it to. And another keyframe here. And play back. So you can just tweak it a little bit more if you want. You can of course play around with the fall off here. Plane effectors fall off, of course. You can of course add spline functionality here, or even just add more parameters like rotation. Oh, sorry, 100, like rotation. And you can of course, just one last step is to go to the random effector and set it to noise index, maybe bring down the animation speed, and now play back. You have constant movement in the just a little bit more detail in the movement of the polygons. So this is one of my favorite techniques, and it's quite flexible. You can change the mesh to use just use a text object or whatever you like without changing anything here. Just you have to match the size, of course, and stuff like that. But anyway, it's very quick to set up and nice result. I think that. Hope it's useful. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.